Hey you guys, it's Shruti. Welcome back to another episode of Fashion. Today's video is going to be all about cord sets. It's a mix of informal and formal cord sets. Like you can literally wear it for office, home, or you're just grabbing your coffee outside. So yeah, it's going to be a mix of everything. So before we start, अगर आप new है channel पे, मेरा नाम श्रुति है. I make travel, lifestyle and fashion content over here. If you like it, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so you do not miss out any of my content. So let's get started. So first one is a pastel and straight out of a Pinterest board cord set. Let me show you all. Like ये जो cord set है ये lime green color में order किया है. आप पिस्ता green भी बोल सकते हो. Look at the top. It looks so aesthetic. I love the bow closures which they have given. And with these puffy sleeves, it is just so pretty. वी नेकलाइन के साथ आता है. इसके अंदर आप प्रेफर कर सकते हो कि आप कुछ पहनो और नहीं भी प्रेफर कर सकते हो. एज योर आई हैव नॉट वोड एनीथिंग. एंड बिलो दिस वी हैव दिस मिड राइज ट्राउजर. काफी कंफर्टेबल है. आई लव दी फैब्रिक. इट्स पॉलिएस्टर बट इट डजंट फील लाइक. काफी सूदिंग है स्किन को. टेक्सचर विच इज गोइंग ऑन इज जस्ट सो ब्यूटिफुल. एंड स्पेशली जो कलर इन्होंने दिया हुआ है बहुत ही प्रिटी है. इसमें 3 to 4 कलर्स अवेलेबल है. सो वो भी आप चेकआउट कर सकते हो. सारे प्रोडक्ट्स यहाँ पे टैग्ड होंगे ये वीडियो पे और डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी आपको सारी लिंक्स मिल जाएगी with the accessories. So yeah, you don't have to hustle here and there. You can literally shop with one click. Here I have wore a size small and मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइट हो रहा था. So I'll be going with one size up. सो आप प्रेफर करना जो आपकी साइज है उससे एक साइज अबाव लेने की. बिकॉज जो टॉप है वो थोड़ा सा चेस्ट एरिया से आपको टाइट लगेगा अगर आप अपने साइज में ऑर्डर कर रहे हो. इफ यू वांट दैट ब्रीदेबल मटेरियल तो आप इसे एक साइज आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हो. Other than that, quality is great, the finishing is beautiful, and you can literally wear this for any occasion. Not for the office, of course. It's an informal cord set. You're just lounging at home, or you're gonna grab a coffee, or you just want to just throw some clothes on yourself. So this kind of cord set just helps. You will definitely look aesthetic, Pinteresty, and on trend. I have ordered this for just 999 rupees, so it's quite affordable and in budget. यहाँ पे मैंने इसे स्टाइल किया है चंकी गोल्ड ज्वेलरी के साथ. You can also style it with white pearl earrings and pearl accessories. That will also look very out of the box. I was not having that kind of accessories. I think I need to order some. So yeah, let me know in the comments अगर उन जो मैं accessories order करने वाली हूँ, do you want that haul as well? So yeah, not going off track. Let's move on to the next one. Next one is perfect for office going people. Why am I saying it? Because it comes with a waistcoat and a trouser. It has a lot of colors available. मैंने इसे brown color में order किया है. They have grey, black and even green. All the shades which are perfect for office. And I love the waistcoat. It has a very good stitching around. Sleeveless है, V neckline है, बटन अप्स आता है. अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुझे ये थोड़ा सा डिफेक्टिव वाला मिला है बिकॉज इसका बीच का बटन नहीं है. सो यहाँ पे मैंने थोड़ा सा जुगाड़ किया है, जस्ट एडिंग अप अ ब्राउन ट्यूब टॉप इनसाइड एंड आई हैव जस्ट लीव्ड दैट ओपन. ओके, आई होप यू कैन सी अ पिक्चर ओवर हियर जो एग्जैक्टली कैसा दिखता है. सो आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा. इफ यू सी इट हैज अ वेरी गुड टेक्सचर अराउंड. आई लव द फैब्रिक. इट इज सूदिंग टू योर स्किन, सो दिस फैब्रिक रियली वर्क्स. इट इज नॉट पॉलिएस्टर बट एक नॉर्मल कॉटन ब्लेंड का जो कपड़ा होता है ना वो है. So it comes with this kind of trouser. It has belt loop and you can literally wear a belt अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी लूज हो रहा है. They have given that functioning which is काबिलियत तारीफ. And it comes with this button and zip lining. Zip is very good quality. I mean they have done a great job. I love the finishing and it comes with 2 pockets which is so great. I mean I search for pockets in every cord set. and you know why if you're my OG subscriber. So it comes with this very flare kind of thing around the bottom area. So I have tried to give a monochrome effect over here, like brown sandals, brown sling ली है मैंने, and which has some color pop in it. You can go with your office bag, the tote bag, okay, and with your normal brown flats, which is also okay. Styling it with this kind of waistcoat and trouser. And also यहाँ पे मैंने चंकी ज्वेलरी पहनी है क्योंकि ये जो कलर्स है काफी म्यूट टोन्स में जाते हैं. So you can go for some chunky jewelry around if you are going for any informal meeting, okay. If you're going for any formal meeting, so आप इसे normal decent वाली jewelry के साथ style कर सकते हो with the golden or rose gold accessories, okay. So you will be surprised मैंने ये कितने में order किया है. It is just for 689 rupees. It's a steal deal. Go check it out right away. Next one is a semi-formal cord set, you can say, and I was literally very skeptical about it. Like मुझे ये buy करना चाहिए या नहीं, because picture में इतना perfectly उसे justify नहीं किया जा रहा था. So I was very curious and I ended up buying it, okay. And you'll be surprised, it has plenty of colors, like you just name it, they have it. And I was so confused कि मुझे कौन सा color order करना चाहिए, but I went for this blue scene color, you can say. It's a knitted shirt and a wide leg pants, okay. I love the texture of the fabric. It has those linings around and it polyester hai but doesn't hurt your skin at all. I will not say that ये summer appropriate है या नहीं, but it is definitely for office people because air condition is 24/7 over there, and you can wear it for the airport as well because वहाँ पे भी हमें कुछ body hugging चाहिए and something which make us feel warm and cozy. So this kind of corsets will really help in it. Let me show you all some details about it. It comes with this collar. इसके साथ ये long sleeves आती है. It has button ups over here. I love the quality and the stitching of this corset. अच्छे से fitting आ रही है. I've ordered this in size small and it comes with this wide leg pants. If you see, it has this elasticated waistband, doesn't hurt your stomach at all. And ये थोड़ा सा weird वाला fitting देता है waist line पे, but वो see through ही नहीं है because उसके ऊपर आपको वो shirt आ जाता है and it is not seen at all. मैंने इसे 789 rupees का order किया है. The fabric is great. I am not saying कि ये summer appropriate है because it's a thicker fabric. Finishing and the style of this corset is just so wow. I mean मैं इसे first glance पे इतना पसंद नहीं कर पा रही थी, but जब ये आया मैंने इसे पहना, so I felt that this is something which I can wear. यहाँ पे मैंने इसे style किया है very normal white tube top के साथ. I have just kept the buttons open at the above, okay, and styled it with a normal golden chunky jewelry. So footwear में मैंने Crocs prefer किया है as rainy season is here. All the links will be tagged below and keep checking out my shorts as well. वहाँ पे भी काफी चीजें आ रही है जो आपको ये long videos में देखने नहीं मिलेगी. So you can literally check my shorts too. All the product links will be tagged in all those videos as well. Recently, olive colors are so in trend. It's like already all over my feed. So एक impulse purchase कर लिया मैंने एक olive corset का. It comes with this collar, waistcoat and a loose trouser. I think ये सारे corsets में से मेरा favorite होगा. Why? Let me tell you all. It comes with this collar and sleeveless है. पीछे से आपको ना थ्रेड्स दिए जाएंगे जिससे आप अपने वेस्ट को कितना भी सिंच कर सकते हो, अच्छे से वो शेप आ सकता है वेस्ट कोट में. एंड दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट इट, यू गेट दैट स्नैच्ड लुक. So it comes with this buttons over here. I love the texture of the fabric. It's polyester but very thin fabric, okay. It will not give you that heat inside. काफी समर अप्रोप्रिएट है. एंड इसके साथ ये वाला ट्राउजर आता है, मिड राइज ट्राउजर है। आई लव द इलास्टिकेटेड बैंड, पीछे की साइड से दिया हुआ है, आगे की साइड यहाँ पे प्लेन है, विच इज अ ग्रेट थॉट। एंड इट कम्स विद दिस वन पॉकेट। ओके, यहाँ पे एक पॉकेट दिया हुआ है। Okay, they have two pockets over here. The stitching is beautiful. I love the quality of the fabric. So I got this for just rupees 759. So here I've tried to give a little bit monochrome effect to the outfit. Like if you see, I wore olive platform heels with a olive bag. You can carry your tote bag, your olive flats, and you're good to go for office. Also, you can wear some chunky jewelry because these colors are little bit mute tones. Okay, so you can add some pop of color to it. You can add your tote bag, you can add your flats, or if you want to give a normal monochrome effect just like I did, you can go with that as well. Also इसमें भी बहुत सारे colors available है, बहुत सारी patterns available है, so you can check that out. The best for the last, it's a floral cord set and currently I'm wearing it. मुझे comment section में जरूर बताना ये कैसा लग रहा है, and the color is so beautiful, bright and happening. तो ये वाले cord set में बहुत सारे colors available है. You can literally opt of your favorite color in it. I have opted for pink this time and not purple. It's not the hot pink color, it's a pastel pink color which makes it perfect for office और होम। तो इसका जो फैब्रिक है प्योर कॉटन है। आई लव द स्टिचिंग। इट कम्स विद दिस वेस्ट कोट जो वी नेकलाइन दी हुई है। इट इज सो ब्यूटिफुल। स्लीवलेस है, परफेक्ट फॉर समर्स। एंड इसका जो ट्राउजर है वो वेल फिटेड है। इफ यू सी द वेस्ट लाइन, इट इज सो स्नैच्ड। आई लव दैट अबाउट दिस कॉट सेट। अगर आपको थोड़ा सा और ब्रीदेबल में चाहिए, यू कैन गो वन साइज अप इन योर नॉर्मल साइज। ये मैंने साइज स्मॉल में ऑर्डर किया है। जिस दिन आपको ना वो नॉर्मल वेस्ट कोट एंड ट्राउजर्स पहनने का मन नहीं कर रहा ना, तो ऐसे फ्लोरल कॉर्ड सेट्स भी पहन के जा सकते हो, which looks formal as well, and that's the best part about this cord set. It's just for 859 rupees, pure cotton, 859. I mean, it's a great deal. Go grab it now. Yeah, I have styled it with white heels and chunky golden jewelry with a white bag. You can carry your white tote bag, your normal white flats as well in it, and you are just good to go for any formal or informal meeting. And I love it totally. Like, look at it, it's so comfortable to wear, comfortable to just lie around somewhere, and this kind of corsets are perfect for summer, so go for it. So yeah guys, this was it from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed this small little corset haul. Let me know in the comments आपको next कौन सा haul देखना है। एंड येस, प्लीज लाइक कर देना, ये बहुत ज्यादा मोटिवेट करता है मुझे। सब्सक्राइब कर देना सो इट रीचेस टू दी मोर ऑडियंस, a larger audience you can say, and share it with your friends and family who is looking for perfect formal or informal combination cord sets. So yeah, आप उनको suggest कर सकते हो। Till then, keep dressing up, keep traveling, keep watching my videos. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.